Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. So for this video, I will be teaching you how to express repeating decimals to fraction form, the shortcut method. So this is a lesson on grade 7 here in the Philippines, and these are examples of these numbers here. These are called as repeating decimals, repeating and also non-terminating. So example here is number 1, 0.5 with bar on top of 5. So this means that 5 is repeated indefinitely. So for example, this is 0.5 with bar on 5. This means that this is equivalent to 0.55555 and so on with no ending. The same with number 2, 0.36. This is same as 0.36, 36, 36, and so on. And this one, number 3, 0.23 with bar on 3. So this is just the same as 0.2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Then last one here, number 4, 0.4352. So this is just the same as 0.43, 52, 52, 52, and so on. So for now, we're going to have the shortcut method in rewriting this one or expressing this one to fraction form. So the technique here is to count the numbers being repeated after the decimal point. So in this case, 5 is repeated indefinitely. So non-ending. So there is only one number. So the technique is we're going to write in the denominator 9. 1, 9. If there are two numbers being repeated, then we're going to write 2 9s. If there are 3, we're going to have 3 9, and so on. So in this case, this is only one number being repeated. So we're going to write 1 9 in the denominator. Then, to get the numerator, what we're going to do is we're going to just write the number being repeated. So the number being repeated here is 5. So we're going to write here 5. So this is now the fraction form of 0.5 with bar on top of 5. Now to check if this is the correct answer, we can have a calculator. So I have here a calculator. So 5 over 9 or divided by 9. The answer here is 0.55555 and so on. Then let's have number 2, 0.36 with bar on 3 and 6. So again, we're going to use the procedure. So we're going to have a division bar here. Then there are two numbers being repeated. So we're going to have 2, 9. So 9, 9. Then we're going to write the number as the numerator. So this is 36. So 36 over 99. Then simplify this one. Divisible by 9. So 36 divided by 9 is 4. 99 divided by 9 is 11. So this is 4 over 11. To check if the answer is correct, you can have the calculator. So 4 divided by 11, and that is the answer, 0.363636, and so on. The number 3, 0.23 with bar on top of 3 only. We're going to put a division bar. Then we're going to count the number being repeated. So the number that is being repeated here is 3, only 1. So we're going to write 1, 9. And in here we're having 2, but it is not repeated. So what we're going to do is we're going to add 0 after 9. 1, 0 after 9. So the same with 9. We're going to use 9 if the number is being repeated. So we're going to count the number of numbers or digits being repeated, that will be the number of 9s. And another one here, there is a number that is not being repeated. So we're going to count the number that is not being repeated and we're going to add 0. So if there are two numbers not being repeated, then we're going to add 2 zeros. If there are 3, then we're going to add 3, and so on. So in this case, this is only one number not being repeated, so we're going to have 1 0. Then after this one, we're going to write the number after the decimal point. So in this case, this is 23. Then minus the number that is not being repeated. So 23 minus 2 over 90. And 23 minus 2 is 21 over 90. Then if we're going to simplify this one, this is divisible by 3. So this is 7 here. And 90 divided by 3 is 30. 7 over 30. And number 4, the last number, 0.4352 with bar on 52. So same with number 3, we're going to count the number of digits being repeated. So in this case, the numbers being repeated is 52. So there are two numbers. We're going to write here 99. Then there are two numbers not being repeated, so we're going to add 2 zeros. So 0, 0. Then we're going to write the number 4352. Then subtract it with the number that is not being repeated, which is 43. Then 4352 minus 43, that will be 4,309. Then this is over 9,900. So I hope this video helped you, and see you next time.